Hello, today we will guide you through how to fix Outlook error when logging in. If Outlook is giving you an error during sign-in, this process walks you through a couple of common fixes inside Windows and Microsoft 365. Follow along carefully, and if one part takes a moment to load, that is completely normal. To begin, press the Windows key and the R key on your keyboard at the same time. This opens the Run dialog box, which lets you launch programs and troubleshooting options directly. In the Run field, type OneDrive.exe /safe. This opens OneDrive in safe mode, which can help if a Microsoft signing component is not working correctly. After entering the command, press Enter on your keyboard to continue. A prompt may appear asking you to confirm. Click OK, then go ahead and log into your account. Make sure you enter your account details carefully and wait for the sign-in process to complete. If the login issue is related to a temporary Microsoft 365 sign-in conflict, this step may help clear it up. If the problem continues, move on to the next part, which is repairing Microsoft 365 from the control panel. Open Control Panel on your computer. A quick way to find it is by using the Windows search bar and typing Control Panel, then selecting it from the results. Once Control Panel is open, click Uninstall Programs. Even though it says Uninstall, this area also includes repair options for installed software. This is where you can manage Microsoft 365 if Outlook is not working as expected. Now look through the list of installed programs and find Microsoft 365. When you locate it, right-click on it to open the available options. From that menu, click Change. This will launch the Microsoft 365 Maintenance tool. Next, click Repair. This step checks the Microsoft 365 installation and fixes damaged or missing files that may be preventing Outlook from logging in properly. Depending on your system, the repair may take several minutes, so let it finish completely without closing the window. After the repair is done, it is a good idea to reopen Outlook and try signing in again. In many cases, this resolves login errors caused by corrupted Office components or sign-in service issues. That's the full process for fixing an Outlook login error using Safe Mode Access and the Microsoft 365 repair option. Follow each part carefully, and you should be in a much better position to get back into your account successfully.